Hello, I'm Chef Dawat Amang. I'm making today the crispy prawn pepper scallion. These are ingredients: scallion, spring onion, chop, bell pepper, onion, ginger, and garlic. Prawn. So let's start. So oil, then ginger and garlic, saute, bell pepper and onion chop, nice saute, scallion, rice. Seasoning, some aromatic powder, breakfast sugar, salt, then crushed pepper, little bit chili, vinegar, little bit. Added prawn, crispy fried prawn, dry garlic and spring onion chop, and canned prawn nicely. Prawn, crispy fried prawn, pepper scallion. I'm really ready to cook nicely flared. Vegetable flour on side and negro greens. So crispy fried prawn pepper scallion is ready. So let's see. Pick up. Enjoy.